Hello, my name is Miss Marshall, and I'm with the Fulton County Library System. And welcome to Maker Wednesdays. We're getting ready to make a quick little summer craft. It's really easy. We only need a few supplies, and we're going to be making bees. I got a quick little book about a bee so you can know what a bee look like. I'm not sure if we have the stingers and the eyes. So, bees sting, but there are a lot of them that comes out in the summer. So we're going to make a quick little bee craft. So let's get started. All right, so first we need a regular little paper plate, which I have right here. Just a little cheap little paper plate from the dollar store. We need some markers, yellow and black. And I have this roll-on paint because I want to use it to put on the plate to make it really, really easy to paint. Or if you have some regular paint, you can use this. And we do need glue because we're going to have to glue some things together. And for the eyes, we need some googly eyes. So I have the googly eyes. And for the antennas, I pre-did antennas, but we can just use regular old clothespins. So we got these right here. So let's get started. So like the first thing we need, like I said, we're going to color our paper plate. It's yellow because these are mostly yellow. So if you have a roll on, just go ahead and roll on. Y'all can see I'm going to be rolling it on. And get mommy and daddy to help you because this paint can be very messy a little bit. Okay, so I got the, I don't know if y'all can see it, it's yellow. So I may let it dry a little bit, fan it, get it dry. But while that's drying, we're going to go ahead and, so like I said, with your marker, you're going to make the body of the bee. So I'm going to go ahead and use it on top of the yellow paint, but just make sure you use it. You make sure it's dry when you do it. I'm just going to do some little body parts. And like I say, you're just doing the yellow. I'm just painting. Just painting the yellow, the black, with the black marker to make the body. So I want to let you see what it may look like once I finish. See, I made the body parts. It's body parts. Okay, so once we got that, we're gonna, like I said, we're gonna let the plate dry, and I use a little glitter, so excuse the glitter right here. I'll just let that dry. And then the next part we need for the bee. So we could go ahead and do the antennas. And I said we're going to use some clothespins. So you can take your clothespin and you can take your black marker and you can just color it black or, whatever color you want to use. So I'm just going to go ahead and use the black marker since I have it. Still get it on my finger, but that's okay. Washable marker so you can get that off with some soap and water. Alright, so I got both of them painted. And I said we need some glue. I got my little glue stick. What I'm going to do is dab a little glue on the tip of the antennas. And then one thing I forgot to mention for the fur of the bee. If you have some little bitty cotton balls, you can go ahead and use these. And you can just stick it on the back of there. Let it dry. Take some of that glue off. Let it dry. See? Let that dry. And then, like I said, we're going to finish the body of our bee. So I done already painted my body part, see? Give it some little color. And like I said, whatever color, I use black, but you can be creative and use your own, whatever color you want. And then I use a little glitter to kind of give it a little bedazzle. So, still waiting on that. Then, what else do we need? Remember the eyes of the bee? Remember I said the bee has these big bubbly eyes. See those eyes right there? So we're going to go ahead and use some googly eyes. I got 2 googly eyes, and you can use whatever kind of googly eyes. Now these don't stick, so you're gonna have to use some glue. So take the glue, put it on both parts of the eyes, and like I said, I'm gonna put it on my plate. Not quite. This is one I did before, but it's not quite dry. But you can just stick it on there. See how I stick it on there? You can see that, the little eyes, the googly eyes. All right. So then my completed plate with the googly eyes on there. See? That's the eye. So remember, with the antenna for the bee, we're going to have to stick. This is the antenna. Stick that on there. Stick the other antenna. Sorry, I got glue on my finger. So is it starting to look like a bee now? We're gonna get these antennas right. All right, I'm gonna put them up a little bit closer together so they can look like a bee. All right, and then, like I said, you be creative. So I got my eyes, I got my antenna, and it's the body. And if you want to hang it up so your friends and family can see, you can stick a little hole in there and use a piece of string like I did and hang your bee up. All right, so that was our quick little bee craft. Remember I said we need a plate, some yellow paint, or you can use a marker. I use a marker, a black marker, some glue, and your googly eyes and the antenna. So that's our craft for the day, boys and girls. So welcome. Thank you for looking at our video, and continue to enjoy some virtual programs that we have on our Fulton County Library page. Thank you and goodbye.